I'm Dr. Dan Frank. I'm the Director of STEM Curriculum for Core Knowledge Foundation. In this video, we're going to focus on a powerful aspect of the Core Knowledge Middle School Science program, the online resources. Now, you might want to have a teacher guide handy so you can follow along. Any unit will do. One thing I find useful in tutorials is to track the step-by-step process by pausing the video and seeing for yourself in your own teacher guide the process as I explain it. So let's get to it. The Core Knowledge Middle School Science program consists of 18 units of study. These are the 6 units that make up the 6th grade level. Now, to stay focused, let's take one of these units as our starting point for examining online resources. Let's select Grade 6, Unit 1, Light and Matter. We will talk about what an online resource is in a few moments, but let's start at Lesson 1 in the teacher guide. As we proceed into the lesson to page 28, we come to an icon of a finger in a circle. This icon indicates that there is an online resource or resources that can be used at this point. And I've added a heart here so you can see exactly where that is. Not only is there a finger icon, but in the text there is a blue hyperlink to online resources. Now that you know that the teacher guide alerts you at the point of use to the existence of an online resource, what exactly is an online resource? An online resource is a teaching extension that exists outside of the teacher guide and out there on the internet, such as an NGSS text, a video you can show your class, or a quick link to safety information, a suggested pacing guide, or other information on the web. So let's say you are on page 28 and you see the finger icon. You then go out of the teacher guide to the Core Knowledge homepage, coreknowledge.org, click on Curriculum and pick Science. On the Science landing page, you will see a link to online resources. You can come immediately to this also by clicking on the hyperlink in the teacher guide. If you then click on CKSci online resources, you will find a list of grade levels, and by clicking on Grade 6, you will arrive at the online resources for the unit you're working on. And here are all of the online resources available for Grade 6, Unit 1. Now remember, we were looking for the resource listed on page 28, and there it is. Will this resource help your teaching? The subtitle for the Light and Matter unit is, Why Do We Sometimes See Different Things When Looking at the Same Object? This online resource is a video, and at first we see light reflecting off the glass door, then we see glass acting as a mirror. Difficult to demonstrate in class, but this video resource brings the phenomenon to life. The online resource page for Grade 6 Unit 1 contains all these links. Notice you can access the teacher handbook here, as well as quickly linking to NGSS standards. One of the most powerful and important links is here. It's a link to the lesson guidance slides. CKSci for middle school has a set of slides for each lesson. These slides are essentially a step-by-step guide to teaching the lesson. You will notice these slides bold-faced in the teacher guide at point of use. These slides, and there are often quite a number in any given lesson, are a super resource. And there you have it. Core Knowledge online resources for middle school science. Tools that you can use to extend and enhance your teaching. I'm Dr. Dan Frank, and thanks for being here.